Hello class. Now in this lecture we will see of four different type of handlebar arrangement used in case of the two-wheeler, that is Z bar, Frisco bar, Keystone bar and the Mustang bar. If we observe properly, all the four arrangement are only having a shape difference, okay, but all the feature they have is the same, that is it having a very low sweep, okay, it having a moderate rise, and it is best because of that it is best suitable for the vehicle which having uh, uh, less or less width, overall width means low width vehicle or low width chopper, for it is bit suitable. So if because of that it having a low sweep, the driver need to be lean down further towards the handlebar to grab it. But as we are said, it is suitable for the chopper vehicle, and the chopper vehicle having a almost some relaxed posture for the for the rider, or it offers a relaxed posture. So if we are using such handlebar in chopper vehicle, or the vehicle which having a long wheelbase, in such vehicle if you are using, then because of that the driver not able to sit in a relaxed position. So for that purpose, if we use such type, if you want to use such type of handlebar in your vehicle, then it is best suitable for the such a rider who having a average height more than 5 feet 5 inch, okay, more than 5.5. The rider who's having a height more than 5.5, it is best suited for those vehicle, those rider only. If you have if we notice the difference in between all among them, then it is we can notice that in case of the Z bar, we are having a straight right angle at the second bend of the handlebar, means at the inner rise position we are having a straight a right angle, so that's what's called a Z bar. But if you compare with the Frisco, at this at the inner rise, that is at the second bed, we are getting somewhat curve here, okay, and the grabbing position are going somewhat upward. In case of a Keystone, you can see the handlebar is going somewhat inward after the first bend, and in case of the inner rise at the second bend, it going it going in downward direction. So it is just going downward, and by looking, or it giving just a aesthetic or good look for the when we are looking from the front. In case of the Mustang, after the first bend, it going upward by more angular nature, okay. So just by the behavior, or the as per the attitude of the rider, okay, the shape is different, but all the four category, that is Z, Frisco, Keystone and Mustang, they have a same feature, that is low sweep and a moderate rise, okay. So such a type of handlebar are good for low width chopper vehicles, okay. And because of the low because of that their low sweep and the moderate rise characteristic, it is need to be a used for the vehicle which having whose rider height is up to the 5.5, okay. So it is not having as that much significant, but only for the aesthetic point of view, it get popular in the uh, two-wheeler category. Thank you.